To factor the sum or the difference of cubes, we need to take a look at those formulas that appear on the previous slide. In all cases, the format is going to be the same. We need to look at, do we have two perfect cubes? Well, x cubed, yes. 8, yes, because the cubed root of 8 is 2. So to factor the sum or the difference of cubes, we need to have one small bracket, one large bracket. To determine what goes in the small bracket, we need to look back at the original question. First term in the small bracket is the cube root of the first term, so the cube root of x cubed, which is just x. Second term in the small bracket is the cube root of the second term, cube root of 8, which is 2. I'm going to leave the signs for a moment, just because there's a pattern that I'm going to show you that will help you remember them a little bit better. For the large bracket, it's going to have three terms in it. The first term is the square of the first term in the small bracket. So we had x, we square that, we get x squared. The last term in the large bracket is the square of the last term in the small bracket. 2 squared, which is 4. The middle term of the large bracket is the two terms of the small bracket multiplied together. X times 2, which is 2x. Now for the signs. The signs always follow the same pattern. In the small bracket, we're going to have the same sign as the question. So was x cubed plus 8? We'll have x plus 2. The first sign in the large bracket is always the opposite sign of what was given. So it's a minus in this case. The last sign is always positive. Doesn't matter if it's the sum of cubes or the difference of cubes. Always positive for that last sign. So same sign, opposite, positive. So if we continue that with B, we'll have our small bracket, we'll have our large bracket. Cube root of x cubed is x. Cube root of 1 is 1. Large bracket will have x squared. At the end, we'll have 1 squared, which is just 1. In the middle, we'll have x times 1, 1x, or just x. The sign pattern, same sign, opposite, end with a positive. C, however, we can't take the cube root of 2x cubed, we can't take the cube root of 54, but if we take a look and we pay some attention, we have a common factor to both of those terms, which is 2. So if we take the 2 out to begin with, we have x cubed minus 27, which is going to be a difference of cubes because the cube root of 27 is 3. So now to factor this, the 2 is going to carry down. Again, small bracket, large bracket. Cube root of x cubed is x. Cube root of 27 is 3. X squared. At the end, 3 squared, which is 9. In the middle, x times 3, which is 3x. Sign pattern, same sign. Opposite, end with a positive.